I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am taking term 2's first lesson. This is of class 4 ICSE syllabus Cordova Publications. Kindly subscribe to my channel and please share and like and send your comments if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the first lesson of term 2, Little Benjamin. The Golden family is extremely delighted with the arrival of a cute little baby in their house. So, the Golden family is very delighted. Delighted means very pleased with the arrival of a cute little baby in their house. So, in their house there came a cute little baby. They find the baby at their doorstep and welcomes it. So, the Golden family found this baby at the doorstep and they are welcoming the baby. Now, read and appreciate this beautiful story. You are going to read this beautiful story. I think Kitty wants to come in, said Mother Golden. I hear him crying somewhere. Won't you go and let him in, Adam? So, Mother Golden is hearing that Kitty is crying. I think Kitty wants to come in, said Mother Golden. Kitty is a cat, name of a kitten. I hear him crying somewhere. Won't you go and let him in, Adam? So, Mother Golden is telling Adam to go and let Kitty come inside the house because she can hear Kitty crying. So Adam laid down his book and went out. Adam was reading, so he laid down his book and he went out. The whole family looked up cheerfully. Everybody looked up cheerfully, expecting to see Aladdin, their pet cat. Say they thought that it was Aladdin, their pet cat. There was a pause, and then Adam came back with a white, scared face. Suddenly there was a pause, and Adam came back with a white, scared face. He was very frightened. He looked at his father without speaking. He was looking at his father. He did not speak to him. Why do you think Adam looks scared? What is the matter, my son? Asked Father Golden. So Father Golden is asking Adam, what is the matter? The cat isn't it there, said Adam. So Adam said that the cat is not there. It is a basket, father. So what was that? It is a basket. A long basket with something white inside and it's crying. So what did Adam say to the father? I saw something at the doorstep and it was a long basket with something white inside. Something white in color is inside. And it is crying, and something white inside, and it is crying. Oh my God, said Mother Golden. And she was out of the door in a flash. That time, Mother Golden said, oh my God. She was out at the door in a flash. In a flash means she ran out quickly. The children also ran towards the door. So all the children also ran towards the door, but were met by Mother Golden returning. In her arms was a long basket in which was indeed something white and fluffy that cried. So when Mother Golden returned from the doorstep, what did she hold in her arms? There was a long basket in her hand, and in which was indeed something white and fluffy. Fluffy means soft. That cried. Something inside the basket was white, something white, and it was crying. It was soft, fluffy means soft, and that cried. Hey baby, exclaimed Father Golden. So Father Golden said that it is a baby. Mother Golden lifted the child out. The baby stopped crying and looked up at her face. So what happened? Mother Golden lifted the child. At the time when Mother Golden lifted the child, this baby stopped crying and they looked at her face. My heart, said Mother Golden. Come here, children. So my heart, said Mother Golden. Mother Golden said, this is my heart. Come here, children. The girls bent forward eagerly. Eagerly means with interest. The girls also bent forward with interest. Look at its little hands, murmured Mary. So murmured Mary. So Mary is asking, look at his little hands, murmured Mary. Murmured means said in a quiet voice. Look at his little hands, murmured Mary. They are like pink shells. Pink shells, only soft. So they are very soft. Oh, see, it moves them. Ruth, she caught her sister's arm in sudden moment of delight. What did she do? She caught her sister's arms in sudden moment of delight. She caught the sister's arms in a sudden moment of delight. Delight means feeling happy. Mother Golden was examining the baby's clothes. The Mother Golden was looking at the baby's clothes. Here is a note. Something was written in the baby's clothes. There was a note. She opened a folded paper and read a few words written in rough hand. When she opened a folded paper and read a few words written in rough hand. So inside the basket there was something, folded paper, and it was written in a rough hand. His mother is dead and his father is a waster. So what was written in that? That the child's mother is dead and the father is waster. Waster means useless. The question is, said Father Golden, what shall we do with him? So the father is asking now again, what shall we do with this child? What shall we do with him? There are plenty of orphanages around. So what is Father Golden telling? There are plenty of orphanages. Orphanages means homes for children whose parents are dead. They are called orphanage. There are orphanages around. You have already got 5 children to take care of. So Father Golden is asking Mother Golden, now you have already 5 children to take care of. Now do you think the Golden family will send the baby to an orphanage? Do you think that the Golden family will send this baby to the orphanage? Oh, we could help, cried Mary. So Mary is telling, Mary is the eldest daughter. So Mary is telling, we will help the baby. I could wash and dress him. I will wash the baby and dress the baby. I know I could and just love to. So Mary is telling, I will wash and dress the baby and I would love to do that work. So could I, said 12-year-old Ruth. Ruth is also another child. So Ruth is also 12-year-old. Ruth also said that I too will do all this. We take turns, Mary and I. Let's keep him, Mother. So Mary and Ruth is telling Mother that let's keep this baby. In 5 minutes, Mother Golden was feeding the child some warm milk with a spoon. So in 5 minutes, what was Mother Golden doing? She was feeding the child with some warm milk with a spoon. The boys were now close at her knee. So all the boys were close at the mother's knee, near the mother's knee. And they watched the process with eager eyes. And they were all watching mother feeding the child. See him grab the spoon, said Joseph. So Joseph is saying, look at him, he's grabbing the spoon. Isn't it he strong? See, isn't it the child strong? Can he talk, mother? So Joseph is asking the mother, can he talk? Can the child talk, mother? Joseph, you shucklehead, said Adam. So Adam is telling, shucklehead means foolish person. Joseph, you foolish person, said Adam, who was 16 and knew most of things. So Joseph is telling that Adam is telling that Joseph is a foolish person, and he knew almost everything. How can he talk when he hasn't got any teeth? So Joseph is telling that, no, Adam is telling that how can the child talk when he hasn't got any teeth? The child doesn't have any teeth. So how can the child talk? Adam is telling to Joseph. Baby has got a tooth to Adam, Mother Golden said. So Mother Golden is saying that baby has got a tooth also. Adam, Mother Golden said, I feel it pricking through the gum this minute. So when Mother Golden is feeding the child, she feel it pricking. Pricking means making a small hole through the gum this minute. I was thinking, Mother Golden said eagerly, it would be the best to keep him through his teething and stomach troubles and give him a good start in the way of proper food and nursing. So Mother Golden is saying that it would be the best to keep him through his teething and stomach troubles and give him a good start in the way of proper food and nursing. Nursing means what? A job of caring people is called nursing. Children, what do you say? Asked Father Golden. You are old enough to have your say, even the youngest of you. So children, what do you say? Asked Father Golden. Father Golden is asking the children, what do you say? You are old enough to have your opinion. Even the youngest of you, all of you can tell what is your opinion. Whether should they keep the baby in the house or not. Oh, keep him, shouted the three younger children. So all the children are telling to keep him. Adam, Lemuel, exchange a glance. Exchange a glance means they took a quick look. What do you think Adam and Lemuel will decide? I guess he had better stay, father, said Adam. So Adam is telling, I guess he had better stay, father, said Adam. Adam is telling father, let him better stay here. I think so too, said Lemuel. So Lemuel also wants to keep the baby in the house. Let him stay here. And both gave something like a sigh of relief. Sigh of relief means the feeling of happiness. Then that's settled, said Father Golden, supposing that no objection turns up. Now Father Golden came to understand that now again no objection. Objection means a reason why one does not like turns up. Next thing is, what shall we call this child? Now next problem is, what should we call this child? What name should we put to this child? All eyes were fixed on the baby, who now sat throned on Mother Golden's knee. Now all the eyes were on the baby who was sitting on the Mother Golden's knee. It was a pretty picture. The rosy dimpled creature, the yellow floss ruffled all over his head. The rosy dimpled creature, dimpled means small hollow place in the skin. The yellow floss ruffled means disturbed the even surface of something all over his head. His sweet little mouth opened in a beaming smile. Beaming means cheerful smile. Smiling back at him. Mother Golden's calm face in its frame of silver hair, and Father Golden in his big leather chair. The 5 children with their sober faces lit up with unusual excitement. The 5 children with their sober face. Sober means serious face. They lit up with an unusual excitement. Agoo, said the baby in a gurgle. Gurgle means the sound that babies make is called gurgle. He says his name Goo, announced Joseph, and everyone laughed. So he says that his name is Goo, said Joseph, and everyone started laughing. We'll better give the child a suitable name, mother, said Adam. So Adam is telling we will give the child a suitable name. Oh, call him Arthur, Bill, Richard, Charlie, Reginald, cried the children together. So all the children are giving different names. Call him Arthur, call him Bill, Richard, Charlie, Reginald. cried the children together. I do love a Bible name, said Mother Golden. So Mother Golden wanted to give the child a Bible name. All our own children have Bible names because Mother Golden's all their children have got names from the Bible. So Mother Golden wanted to give the child a name from the Bible. Let us not cut the little stranger off from this privilege. So Mother Golden is telling, let's give the stranger off. Let's not cut out the little stranger off from this privilege. That means we will give the child also a name from the Bible. We should not cut the little stranger off from this privilege. Privilege means this special right. Lemuel dear, you were named after a king, said Mother Golden. So Mother Golden is telling Lemuel, you were named after a king, said Mother Golden. He was a good boy to his mother, and so are you. See, this name Lemuel the name was taken from the Bible. So in the Bible, Lemuel is the name of a king. So Mother Golden is telling Lemuel, he was a good boy to his mother, and so are you also are a good boy to me. Bring the Bible and let us see what it opens at. Joseph, you are the youngest, shall open it. So Mother Golden told, bring the Bible to me. Let us see what it opens at. Joseph, you are the youngest. You shall open it. So Mother Golden told Joseph, you are the youngest boy in our family. So you open the Bible and please tell us a name. Suggest a name for the baby. You please tell a name for the baby. Joseph opened the great brown leather Bible and closing his eyes, he laid his hand on the page. Then looking down, he read. So Joseph, he placed his hand on the Bible by closing his eyes, and he laid his hand on the page, and then he read. There is little Benjamin, their ruler, and the princes of Judah, their council, the prince of Zebulun and the princess of Naphtali. So they found, when Joseph put the hands, he found the name Benjamin. That is the ruler, and the princes of Judah, and the council, the princes of Zebulun and the princess of Naphtali. Zebulun and Naphtali are difficult names, said Mother Golden. So Mother Golden is telling that Zebulun and Naphtali are very difficult names, said Mother Golden. Benjamin shall be the child's name. So they have told that they will put the name Benjamin for the little baby. Let little Benjamin, the Lord bless and keep him. The Lord bless. Bless means ask God to protect somebody. It's called bless. The Lord bless and keep him. So at last they gave the name little Benjamin to the baby. Now the story was written by Laura E. Richard. Now I hope the moral of the story is, a happy family is one in which there is love, peace and unity. Now I finished taking this lesson. So I just want you to all read this lesson. Read this lesson 2 times, and please like, share and please subscribe to my channel, and please send your comments. Okay children, I'll see you in the next class. Until then, bye.